Hey guys, it's me, Brandy, and I am going to unbox my Boxycharm. I just got it. I also just got off of work, so bear with me. I know I look like a crazy person. This eye look, I did not film, but I am posting it to Instagram, and this is with my Beauty dupe. So that's exciting. Let's see. So I'm going to open this box. I have not even opened it yet. So I'm going to go ahead and open it for you. And let's see what I got. So I got this Lime Crime Venus 3 palette. I am not going to open it because I already own this. So this will be going in a future giveaway. That is worth $38. I also got these hydrating eye mask. From the Beauty Crop. They're avocado hydrating eye masks. And it says these are worth $18. I got rose water setting spray from Maven Beauty. This is $22. I got Car lip oil, Cab lip oil, and this is worth $20. And I got Glow Recipe Banana Souffle moisture cream. This is $39. That is everything I got. And if I didn't already have the eyeshadow palette, I would be more excited about this palette, about this box. But yeah, So I definitely think what I'm gonna do is put this into a future giveaway. So I don't know if it'll go in my Instagram giveaway or if I'll do a giveaway here once I reach a certain amount of followers. But so let's see. I paid $25 for the box. So the Glow Recipe, which I am happy about this. So this was $39. It says the soothing lightweight daily moisturizer that resets, replenishes, and seals in a boost of lasting hydration for all skin types, blended with banana, magnesium, turmeric, and cica. This sweet souffle is your recipe for calmer, hydrated, and healthy looking skin. So I'm actually happy with this. I will actually, I have the pineapple serum, so I can use those together, which that's fine. So I'm happy about this. The Rose Water Setting Spray from Maven. I have not tried it before, so let's smell it. It does smell like rose and like hairspray mixed. So I will try this and I will let you know if it's any good. And then this lip oil in Honeydew. This I probably will end up liking. I do like lip oils. Let's see what it smells like. Oh yeah, I like this. So I like the smell at least. So I will definitely use this. The packaging is quite luxurious. And then the palette is the only thing that I don't think that I'll actually use. This hydrating eye mask. It's 3 pairs of eye masks. So let's see, I've got 39 plus 20 is 59, 69, 79, 81, 91. So 99, so my box minus this palette is worth $99. So I'm okay with that. It's not a bad value. I just wish I would have gotten a different palette. But I mean, that's the exciting thing about Boxycharm and about Ipsy, is that you never know what you're gonna get. And yeah. So thank you so much for joining me. I hope you have a wonderful day. Let me know down below, did you get the same stuff I got? Were you happy with your box? Have a wonderful day. We'll talk to you later. Bye.